Hi everyone. Uh, Last night I went out to get a few beers from a local pub. Of course, King Musuzulu has given an instruction that all the taverns and the clubs must close, but of course that has not happened in Durban. But I just want to tell you why it is important to listen to the King. So as I was walking, it was on Marine Parade and Gillespie in Durban. Uh, on my right hand side, because I was walking on the left hand side, luckily. But on my right hand side, there was a commotion. There were a group of guys who were fighting. It was very early in the morning, after the club had closed. And then the one guy pulled out a gun, and it became a commotion. And then that made me realize that the king is correct, because in other circumstances maybe you wouldn't have that situation. Maybe it's because people are drunk, they are easily irritated, it's in the morning, they haven't slept all night and stuff like that. So meaning that the city of eThekwini must invest in cameras so that when people actually do commit a crime, because the gun didn't go off, but of course maybe he has a silencer or something like that. So there must be footage that can be reviewed so that if people committed a crime, then they can be caught. Uh, that is my suggestion to the council of Italy. Thank you.